send them account 14th February on the Saka petitions miensa entino or the tuja or the removal of the Chief Justice. Next as on so esisu dua say send them man peni kan no man peni esaka petitions miensa say onhwe na onhwehwe mu yie na onyi Chief Justice every one entino the letter literally said the president has received 3 petitions from various persons seeking the removal of the Chief Justice. The President has forwarded the 3 petitions to the Council of State to commence consultation process mandated by Article 146 of the 1992 Constitution. Now, Prof, Adeba Kone say, Obi Ebisa say, sorry petition a yede call ye ne ho nsem no Ghana mra no ana 1992 Constitution no enkasa mfa ho ana kasa fa ho so e deport ne kasa fa ho na yi letter ye ma ye hu say Article 146 of the 1992 Constitution no e wotumi ana ema omanpani kwan say ne saka petitions bi sa ese ogina so no forward ma Council of State na Council of State for penny for no hwemu secretary na petitions na ne saka no engina so bi ewo mu a na enumo no na ebeto odwa no na Chief Justice onu so nya asutire say krata bi akodi omanpani ho efa ono ne ho no na onu so tu anamo ekire koma omanpani on the 27th of March 2025
right.
Chief Justice ekire koma omanpani say Ghana man penny match say enkrofo bi de enkrata bro say Jimmy fi ho na pamome say meye medjuma say Chief Justice na mbomu no meso me pese say enkrata miensa na petitions miensa no me di mani hu bi enti no twerɛ kɔma eye omanpani esre ne say una oye omanpani a osaka na so meso ma de srede ne say nkebe ya ma meso me fa mani hu petition no
right.
na me hu say ne meso no ye bisa me a meyi ma no afa enti no ɛhɔ no the president Ghana man penny ejina so grante ye mami 7 days adisade no de ko man penny ni di so 8 year no ma ne saka copies of the petitions enti no ehọ no
I'm saying man penny kra man be 10 days instead of the 7 days
on 10 days yes on 10 days na mom no ye mami no extra ode ne saka krata no krampo extra say 7 days no or the behwe enkrata no mu na wo hu sania ono so ebeboa no ho na che say 7 days no a osre no wo say adesede na odikomo mampani enti na odikomo mampani no che so wo de mami a me de danson ebehwehwe mu na eno be mame embre ema misumetumi eyi ano ekwan papa so appropriately enti no enumu no ena ma omampani ejina so o say okay say 7 days no na we bisa mema o enda edu enti no omanpani ehane ye so omanpani ma ye ma mi 10 days say onfa yi ensem na no wamra ono asre say opeso hu petition enti the second no omanpani say 7 days kra na we ma 10 days nyabotre gwa home na fa hwemu na sa communication ya ye kan omanpani secretary presidential secretary openi Callistus Mahama ena na nsasha se ebeto odwa se Ghana man peniyama ye ma mi 10 days se onfa hwehwe enkrata no mu na communication e free Callistus Mahama ba the secretary to the president no o ma ye hu se chairman of the Council of State onyumnyafo do ajaho on the 24th of March 2025 no omo forward petitions no ekoma ye ma mi tokunu ema ne sakaye according to Article 146.6 of the 1992 Constitution no enti no Council of State so on the 27th of March 2025 no omo consent here say no kre Ghana man penny HRS and saka 3 petitions of forward man yeso ya hwehwemu na sambre yeso ye gina so the copies akoma Chief Justice say onhwemu na ohu senia ono so beye ne ho enti no enum no na Chief Justice so jembre eyi ensem no senia Council of State emano embre no ana omanpani ma no 10 days say onfa hwemu na onyi ano no enti no on the 7th of Monday 7th of April bosum ya ewo mu ya ne da etosun so no 2025 na ye ma mi toko no okohwehwe mu hu sani obeyi ni ho ano no so de na no di sem egu krata so de koma omanpani so the Chief Justice submitted her request responses rather to the president and you know or then the krata koma no obon humbody say 10 days no a omampani diama no obedi she will fall within those 10 days until no wa manantra 10 days no 10 days ultimatum no bono body pa edi so a ode ne nkrata ekoma omampani na mbom no na nka omampani na sese ode koma na so she went extra further or extra miles to copy the Council of State. Until no ode na no di sem koma president no or sign the same response na ekoma Council of State a omuso omunya akwanya ehu emusem na wambra Council of State esaka yemami ne responses no eho no omuhu ye kombremu ye wo bibie frɛ no prima facie enti no omo establish prima facie case na chese asem no a responses na yemami di aba no ekwan bi no omo agembre ahwemu na prima facie case na dodo na endra Ghana for dodo na ebisa say dey be nkra na prima facie case no prima facie case prima facie the expression itself no a Latin expression na ye the badrofo mu a it says ade bi a wodi weni edin kan yehu at first sight and I say ade bi a beto weni mu a wohu da afi na wehu kra and I say ade bi a wakopie so a wenya eho impression first impression afi kra na wehu a wofa weni ehu ye na no ema wo a wakoto so na mbre mu no ema akwenya ema ne wakopie so no enya adaje build sufficient evidence eno no etumi say embra na yedi etumi manipa no kwan ema trial and judgment no otumi boaboa na evidence
had my memory mu kakra prima facie case wo what you have said, very impressive, amazing, but when you relate it to the legal profession, I say Emma clue to something that has happened. So what I say, the emphasis say akwa wie bro o bi efum da omukọ efum ho no omo say akwa na tade aka ho. So that is the prima facie case that has been. So what I say, until some adeketwe bia ebetimi de gina so e dia ye nhwehwemu. So that is the prima facie case where we come to within the legal remit. So that's what it is.
Fantastic. Adaroma intino sani ana yeguso eka no Chief Justice Wambra Council of State they were able to establish that prima facie case, Let's just say Adanside ka crazy Adaroma sani a clue of it. Abede dia let's just say petitions na nkrofo de buy no ejina so bi wo so a omugina so a ebeboa intino Emrapon so Emma Omampeni kwan say bibi saba na say Council of State establish a prima facie case na ehọ no a esese hwehwemu koso na asa na hwehwemu be koso no wo asem no fa wo ho no esese ye yiwusi nchen because asa asem wa ye ka ye Chief Justice asem na ye ka na say ye koye embremu hwehwemu a Chief Justice wo so na da no na Emma impenifo kwan na omo hwehwe eye asem a abeto edwane mu enti sa suspension ho asem na be he wo Ghana mayimu a sambre yeso research desk ya jembre akoye enhwehwemu kakra yegusu edi to dwai na Wambra Mampedisre mami say ontina fie no net say Chief Justice position abe vacant abedampan enti the ho no ampofu mu ano omampeni ejina Ghana mraso de paw empenifo kakra say omungina mu na omo entoto enioma enti no interim committee constituted immediately net say yehwemu a penia oda committee ya no Justice Gabriel Scott Puaman ono ye chairman or yes very seasoned Supreme Court judge onu fi ho a ne otosu mienu ye Justice Samuel Kwame Adibu Asiedu onu so ye Supreme Court judge a onu so nimu mbra ye pa ye fi ho a ye ba former Auditor General Daniel Yao Domelevo na onu so no omampeni apaw no wa serve in the capacity of Auditor General da until omampeni de no aka ho ye fi ho a ye call asrafo so afamu a Major Flora Prof Ediwedia Bazwanurara Bazwanurara it's no Major Flora Bazwanura Dalugo edinu mu odupa wenya obeda gatidi bibisa
Flora Bazunura
Edi a me bra me body say seremoni bi so ti wa body simple crass wa hwe say dey obre. Ejo no so ɔno nso gyina mu a ɔrepresent Ghana Armed Forces.
Sure.
ɛne Professor James Sefa Gisa ɔno yɛ associate professor ɔwɔ University of Ghana. saa nipa no mu na ɔmampani apa wɔn sɛ in the interim no ɔmo hwɛ na ɔmo nyɛ nhwehwɛmu ɛwɔ ɛhɔ na ɛyɛ before that no sɛnea mekaeɛ no Chief Justice ambre ne office na abɛda mpan nti ɔmampani apaw ɛyɛ Justice Bafuboni sɛ ɔno act as Chief Justice nti no nea akosi no.
Okay, so you're sure on the list now, the committee members now here judge we Puamanga okay mama na appointed no time I know a president and yeah Justice Esiedu Akufo-Addo na appointed no I don't know and we Domelebu former auditor general
na Domelebu ya waka so no so mama na appointed no mama chapter 1
but unim we no I don't know. I think there are audit issues in it. So
yes.
Procurement,
supposed procurement.
Yeah. I don't know what you think about this committee. Yeah, power. Do you have any thinking about it? Do you have any thinking about it? Do you have any problem with the committee? Do you think that the committee is partial and is impartial? And what is your expectation of the committee's report? We'll be asking all these questions, expectations of the committee's report.
And you know, Wadaroma, your Koswana, your content in the mono, your Kai say, your Beshe, say, Bonibina Yama Mimpoya, supposed 5 cents of justice tokono. Nane dikaino, on my penny and Casampo Krata, or the Betuja, no say there were issues of misconduct. Let us say, Yamano, Chief Justice, the Brenna Odieno, Sabu, a crime issue in Dinihuni, misconduct. And I abuse you as a abuse of power. Just a 2 mina onyayeno, or the Ejuma Broswa, senior year, no, it was out of the law. That governs her office, and they just say procurement breaches. Just say, oh yeah, Chief Justice, you know, and you may be a more to toy any idea, and also no breaches kakra mentemiwasi and I say
these are alleged
yes, of course, yes,
because
alleged.
It's not proven and we've not had. So perhaps we are also thinking loud as a research team. We are also thinking loud as a research team. To have come out with it, because when you look within the media space, from grapevine sources, these are some of the things people are communicating out there. So it would only also be proper for our research team to make it known to our people, our listeners out there. But they are not the confirmed things of Eyamamino. But we at someone yesu yatiero. Said the Ghana for being more keka media muno, and now yesu yede tuja and anyway Ediama Yenete for Otie Sompa 106.5 FM.
Prof, that's a pani and Tremuna or the Abano, alleged. And that one procurement breaches, you say interference in judicial proceedings. Let's just say, and some will be high profile cases in the Honor say, a course why Yama made in the winning area remove. And the Bimusu Esu say, Yama Menos Ancasa Crano, acquire the human relation, acquire.
Yeah, I'm about to say, said the only amount for a related, but we don't know whether all these are captured in the petition. Because the petition, we've not seen it.
Yes.
We have not seen it. And these are her sins. But we are saying that since we are that is what people are perceiving. And that is why we've added it to our research. Wait, that's it.
And you know, me pacho afide yaba yaka ye mami ho asam na ye bisa se ende ekwanya ye mami ye twe na bo so yi ayembia ebiesi e wo Ghana hada na abakosem kire se Ghana ye mampani a ye nya no ye Chief Justice a ye nya no a odikan e Ghana ha wamre ye be Republican state no na ye friend no yes Kobina Akukosa yi wamra ye mampani a odikan Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ye mampani no na opawo ye pani a obeye Chief Justice Ambre no e ma Ghana na ono so ne dwumadie no mu no ekoduru bebi no ye pamo no
pamo no say once Kwame Nkrumah kulungungu sa bombings na ye cause no womu Kwame Nkrumah dream say womu ye orchestrators of that your friend is bombing no Akukosa obra no Chief Justice na asem no ko du ho no though punish or mudi, but the severity of the punishment, then you that severe. To Kwame Nkrumah bufuye. To Kwame Nkrumah bufuye no can say there be. Now who be the one see a just as Chief Justice. Among for try say omkwako bombe kume. Na omkwako bombe kume na asam na bani de brewa. Na punishment are the more money. That is then never home. So that was the reason why 1963.
1963 yeah wadaroma wachire mu ho no nti no pani so bibi sa to wa ye de pamu no nti no ye ma me ye hwe ne ho nsem kakra bi ye kire se hwehwe mu ama ye hu se her ladyship Gertrude Araba Isaba Tokonui ono na Sambre ye kase ye ba no chief justices e wo Ghana ha emba no ono no to so miensa the third chief justice the third female chief justice na ye yi onu si nten ya mienu no aka no ni odi kan no Georgina Wood wambra ye mampeni kufuo
Mekai
ena opawo no eno eche no na ye mampeni akufu ado so ne first time no obepa wo Sofia Akufu na unim se Sofia Akufu ye kasa Sambre yi Council of State no oka eti no de koso ye nya no ade bia ye no ade fofo aha na ye mami etokonu yi wo June 12 2023 ena omampeni Akufo-Addo epawo no odinisi Abedja so she was sworn in on the 12th of June 2023 as Chief Justice and then that ye ka say enkomo say akoba no na ye pawo no nia obegina na nemu Sambre no Kwesi Justice Kwesi Enini Yeboah
Justice Kwesi Enini Yeboah
ono koye no ena ye mami ebesi na nine as Chief Justice. You know, Prof Adaroma. Research desk ye dwumedia ye koye ye no. Aha ena ye di besi.
All right. Mabo modern pa. But I must say mobile but there are other issues surrounding this particular issue concerning the Chief Justice. And of course we have so many communications coming out there. First one, then a minority, account for the removal of the Chief Justice. I have a statement emanating from the Minority Caucus in Parliament, and it says that the decision by President John Dramani Mahama to suspend her leadership, Chief Justice Gertrude Araba Isaba Tokonu, under the purported authority of Article 146 of the 1992 Constitution, is nothing short of a brazen judicial coup. What is about a minority in the canon? Or say way a brazen judicial coup, and they go on to also refer to it as a reckless abuse of executive power and a direct assault on the independence of Ghana's judiciary. Until winning someone, the Minority Caucus in Parliament can offer the suspension of her ladyship, Justice Gertrude Araba Isaba Tokonu. And again, Bamin Sankoyewe, the former president of the Ghana Bar Association, Samuel Kujato, enye the otisu sisi enye foreign affairs teteno olumano. Now someone can say the suspension of the Chief Justice sends the strong signals to the world and could have dire consequences for Ghana's reputation and economy. Speaking on one of the platforms, this legal luminary warned that the action through the constitution is damaging in the eyes of the international community. So this one too, but Martin Kwebu so then also can a different thing altogether. Martin Kwebu has suggested that a voluntary resignation by the Chief Justice Gertrude Tokoni would be in the best interest of Ghana's democracy rather than subjecting the nation to a prolonged investigation process. Honestly, the all can no say. Said the yamami kwadua ye dia bonori. Anka me anka onu kra wonjintum no nka say ade we kra no me dogana pa nti said the omo ye me anka sa me kwa akotene fi. Me kwa akotene fi. Se me kwa akotene fi the other say process yi na to etwa. Martin Kwebu asema wo kan no. But Samoku Jato no so my main family tree mu the oka ejira kire say was it sa suspension we information and say the signal edima amaya wo mo wiase ha nyina no kire say Ghana ha yankasa nkasa yenye serious enti na betimi anya consequences bi ewo ye man mo so enkankan ye dwedie so because investors say about Ghana say na Ghana ha democracy no say na eko because you know that we have 3 arms of government, and within these 3 arms of government, you know, they practice what we call the principle of separation of powers. So what I say, separation of powers. That is what they practice. We have the legislature, we have the judiciary, and then we have the executive. So now we are asking this principle of separation of powers, you know. That's the question some people are also asking. But that notwithstanding, the Constitution also gives the right to the president through Article 146 to act. So where are we as a nation? That is why some people are of the view say you share a Ghana ha a queen ye first one ye power a chief justice no a trouble for us. Yes, because it must not be done by the executive in consultation with the Council of State. So say Britain crown there is an independent body responsible for the appointment of the chief justice. So that is what we want Ghana to do. I don't know, this constitutional review committee or Mati, I don't know if this issue would be a subject for consideration, because it must be done. It must be done because president, you know, because a president, you know, Green Street Machombo, say president, you know, a appointment now. Don't you think, sir, the chief justice will have some sort of allegiance to the president? Don't you think so? So Ghana, I think we would have to sit down very well, go back and rethink this position and say, no, we have to get an independent body. Somebody responsible for the appointment of the chief justice. It should be completely independent of the executive and then the legislature, so that the principle of separation of powers can really work to that effect. And you know, so now, yani lawyer Baba Jamal Edin Komo. Lawyer, anyway, Sompa 106.5 FM. Yama kwa baba for God and country. Ejumedi no so. Hello, Baba Jamal. Hello, Baba Jamal. All right, we'll try and re-establish contact and get back to you, you right here. You know, so that's what it is right here. Sompa 106.5 FM. Emma Aketuyapa. So that's what it is. So as I was saying, you know, we will have to make sure, say, Yabenya independent body bia omobeye the appointment of our chief justices, so that it will be independent of the actions of the executive, and for that matter, the actions of the legislature. And at Green Street,
Prof, asamu okay no. I mijina ha nyina na medwe won say Ghana man pani otiswe John Dramani Mahama. Wapau obaye no ana wapau constitutional review committee special members are Professor H Kwesi Prempe edano. Enti me nim say edwuma so ode aso omonsa no nya wo kan omo be capture because emra no ana consensus HSA omampeni bia obeba Ghana ha no emra no ma no tumi too much ebroso ema ni tumi di ende yesi omampeni apa openi we wa appointi we nti no yetumi wo say aban endwuma ni bi wo ho a enka sene wo kan independent bodies bi eye kan ebi ni chief justice position ebi ni electoral commissioner ene ne ekeka ho even governor of the Bank of Ghana kraka ho ebi mu tse senke wo independent bodies bi a omo adwuma ni say omo be paw mpenifu akwhye saa tibie ya no a nke be boa pa instead of say nka omampeni ebe paw ebe gina mbra no so apaw saa mpenifu because what can clearly na ne waka no so no kre say me eno omampeni apaw me ana prof me kra na wo president na wapaw me a I te say wakola bi ne me saa no enti no wuhia mboa mentumi wusu mi ti say me mboa enti no ne o kan dey it really falls in line ye hwe na ye di hudwuma ka be boa ye pa
ba ye hwe eye asamo a ye Samokuja to aka ono eye the former president of the Ghana Bar Association. I say adewe is going to have dire consequences e Ghana your reputation any your economy. So I don't know how it's going to have an effect on our economy, but thinking aloud me who say investor confidence one share esubeti because investor never Ghana ha na onya asem say asem no court na sabre the executive interfere in the work of the your friend say judiciary na yakonya asem no yebedi amana na ndi man because obuso ma dream be yo mo na kakra
enti prof na okay no it falls in the question na yebisa say is the judiciary really under siege two mission could be to asho so samre ya na it no me enya me won say even in the international community kra no enye endra ena bia o mo badwune sa asem a okay e bia from the time one eye petition hu sem ba ye ni ade yi ena ebi mu benya sa adwene po no enti no ena prof wadaroma ade ba ko a ye research no yan capture because na ye hwa enya ade bia hu yiya samre but it falls in line ye ma me talk onu ye ka na asem yi petitions ya o mapeni joma masaka enye na edikan ni o o mapeni mapeni dada akufu ado ono so ansa na obe free so no impenifo bi di petition bi sa akọ say ye hwe na yin ni free so na no hwehwemu no ma yenhu say enya ade bia petition na mu odu sa enti na ebogu ye enti ni nipa ba kun ya ye di ne hu nkomo ya petitions ahoro be na ewo ho e na akọ two different presidents.
So I don't know.
So what is really special?
What is really the case?
The case.
What is really the case? That is why we are all thinking aloud over here. But we are not being conclusive of whatever we say over here.
Yes.
It's only say yes we are drinking and the but the air cannot enter say and no na you. And I was OBG 200 That's what that one there. We have to be explicit on that. I was here because we are all thinking aloud over here. Because at the same time, no constitution say so that's what it is right here. Sompa 106.5 FM. Emma Aketiapa. You try say you babo modern na yako yahoma no so na yede 1 year enimra 1 year enimde. Anyone here akasa na yumri awo dwumadi no so on this particular issue right here on Sompa for God and Country kai patoko Facebook Sompa 106.5 Emma Ketiapa share the page like the page share the page like the page but now me the kind to when him say den ya bebo modern na ya chemo ade mo be comment mami ko den ko di nkobo sisi ya yensaka eye lawyer Ansa Asari, no a former director, Ghana Law School, or Hamano Yenino Ebedin Komo. Lion Paso, Yama Kwaba for God and Country, you made use of Sompa 106.5.
Yes, sir.
We about on a pom to saying,
oh, I pom me a radiadum.
Yeah. Then
you say, Monso Mapomo, yepa.
Yapomu yepa. Now, Sompa FM say, ya bank crying, ya domi. And you know, when I do what you show ya, don't you? The pass, yes, Akawa, you know, a barber to train come. Now, quickly, my Mbisawu, Sabre, who share a petition ya. A man for the Aquacoma Mampini, so training Eddie Adine, the Council of State. Obviously, prima facie case B has been seen, and because of that matter, a 5-member committee has been set up. Pacho, walk us through what we are supposed to see in the next coming days on this particular petition here can wase me
yo me da ase me da chief on so ase ni etini say aman yo ne amambu no sa na eti wa so we use constitution a bibia obey bia no e say you bisa o say na mra no say na emra no e say na efa petition ahodo a edi akoma omampenyi John Dramani Mahama say onye wifiem na mfanyi Chief Justice emfi na komnya so no emra no say president saka petition na or the Beka Koma Council of State. Council of State no a constitutional body one more advice omampenyi ewo in some say near AC near Kosui home. Enti near constitution na shisha ne say omampenyi saka petition na or pa or bema Chief Justice no copy as an or they call Council of State or penswa or the Beka Council of State na chire no na or the copy akoma Chief Justice na ono so ama ehum na emuaya ne nsa bɛka no or the local command council of state em say ye mu pi nim say sa na mo nyina no wabɔ no tofa de bebe ato bebe say that enti enu a na-enya no nti say committee president any council of state esusu ho ama omo ehu say normal bi wo petition no ma say omampanyi set up committee na committee no wifem eba no saa na se na ebe ya committee no betumi aye umu adwuma ankwa bia ntumi enkoka se no ma bi ndemu fia ana se enyene kwanso no chief justice no se otwe ne ho kakra na committee no tumi ye umu adwuma eba saa se president no o suspend chief justice nem se hono na yemu bi entiase na ni ametumi akira ase kakra ne say constitution no ka say sabri president suspend chief justice and kire say we bua asem na gu chief justice so enye sakura ni akira ne say chief justice no otwe ne ho kakra na committee no ehwehwem na say woman petitioners no adwene ehia na o ma no ko benkom dia na je say president oyi chief justice no fi okwa in the sense here no suspension no kire say to bra e dey abolo no wo matumi approve the be entisa bifemu keke e na ohwe sa na constitution na ahye enye president e na oye nyatusu mi no mate say bi no maka say president no ni hu kwan say obe suspend chief justice na ya no ne se owo kwan pa se ni njo owo kwan pa ne se constitution ku yara a nyina de ye adwuma no say committee no president ne council of state adwin ba ko say wo set up committee pa any president does suspend the chief justice enti na wo hwehwe mu bi na se aban ni mu a obe left suspension no na yewura chief justice na wasa akofo the komia sa na tintin say ya de or innocent dia maye you
ya bela asiri nchiremu a odi aman but say me hwe eye owura Sam Okujato ono eye Kani president for the Ghana Bar Association was say eye suspension we no enya dia e de ne papa ebe bro man no. One, it talks about the economy and the reputation of the country. Me pacho asem we o jene saying.
Yewa Okujeto ye mi senior papa de wi law no kra na me enko secondary school yo. Nti no de law no nimpa na mom efa sa yi na nu anwumre no metie ni o ka no. Ono kan say Ghana a political country or can TV3. Ghana a political country, bibia yehu politics mo. Me imagine say Ghana a political country, senior America a political country, United Kingdom political country, France a political Cuba a political country. Na mum senior yede emra eye adwuma no na differentiate ye. Aha no say Ghana for say a political country na nia mampanyin John Dramani Mahama aye no enda ne kwan mu a me ne wa mo nya adwe eni say obi inform so bia ba sa inform so no efi ye Nana Akufo-Addo oye former president eni say emra na o babe chief justice no seniors ewo ho enti say obi eto constitution ni epine ya na omampanyin dada Akufo-Addo omampanyin sese a mampanyin Mahama debi nipa na one fa constitution no anya dwuma emra or chief justice no ono na semfum so bi aba ese say ye ka say ono na wa form
For clarity's sake and for the purposes of our listeners, can name paying President Akufo-Addo and for so ben no wabra na ye pow get to talk on say onumbamba chief justice as regards the constitution.
Me da say your constitution article 146(4) HSS vacancy pa say biota fracture chief justice yare bi apetu abono ana say he were 2 kwan obeche ana say nitri kekano kakra ntimi ye adwuma no bio ana say ebi awanya stroke bi ana baby yare boni bi abebo chief justice enti no ntimi nye adwuma na constitution no ma ho kwan say president answer na obepa obi no say or the most senior Shehwanta. Now, how no Anna me or young Rifema or they talk on you being by no. You may be called radio so. Me say me call radio so catch and say baby all the idea no fun no the problems every justice talk on no ninfish akakra seniors dinanim enti ye lawyer for so there ye obi nra or penyin senior ebe wo no ne enti ye try ahye atade no ko ada ebe wie no se me ancestor ya me meba answer na okujeto aba enti me senior to okujeto sai na ye ndie no te enti ema o de to ko nu din ba no me ka wa go from so say coming one and Katoko and the last chief justice ye be power efi ase na yemfa constitution no enye djuma enti ho sanka mampanyin dada Akufo-Addo tie masem na ofa bafo bonia anka bia ne asem ibai ye be ye na nso oben ewede na opanyin na akwakofa akwada ba we de or the Aguadano Moneba, it's a basa so before for about say the za ye lawyer for at the end there. Meaning say the seniority na ye juma. Enti no me ba me dia no be ye juma. E to asum. Enti e ho na o man panyin dada e form ye. Problems are be nyina no e ho e na efi. Sanka o seniority anka amasa.
Ba lawyer say mu ye mranimfo a mu wo Ghana ha. Na mu nim say ye man panyin wafom. Fumo of whom say when Timian father senior most member or at that particular level and for number chief justice. I don't know Sabrino, one for Nanko or Mamping, one for Nanko Janasam Libya, Amasa, I don't know yen or man chancing.
To me for no call any say constitution no say and sana yebenya substantive chief justice no president no ewo kwan say Obama constitution na ejuma say eba acting chief justice enye president e power constitution no na ese constitution no say egwano ta ekonyanyo na top the most senior enfo na on hwechire ekope mra o mampanyin be set process no in motion na hono na yen politicians no edi yenwa pa
lawyer, what I want to mebo. A hamikakra said, dear, your constitution, I can ye. Your man penin him say, or your ranimni, on him say na constitution, I can. Nansu book constitution also. Obu Fantian to me, Yashi, as of mine.
So, Nanado, or a lawyer, the yimpa say, me kwa. But one man can say a politician. Now, or the politics no ye juma dia. Now the law no on fair no ye juma biom. Or the politics no ena ye. They can say nanado be politicize say judiciary no kra wo kwan rupi so ense say nko ye. Na no kore woman say senior lawyers say me say almost sorry no mo kasa no. Wo ma Juma or Jubilee, Womma, Juma or ministries, Womma, Juma or departments, agencies, and a pass wɔn nsɔre nyina hɔ na wɔn nka no korɛ na yɛn fɔ se nyɛ ɔyɔ no wɔn nka because wɔn ka yɛbɛyi ɔman no adi efi adwuma no nti wɔn nka ɛno ɛna ɛha ɔman no seesei a.
But Lazare, do you have any evidence to that effect, or it's just a hearsay?
So say.
But asam na wo kan no wo nyina so wo hu bia na say at some speculations na also what ya wo ka say e bia
say mpanyimfo no ma ya adwuma.
Yeah, that's what I want. Yes.
Jubilee House.
Yes.
Jubilee House. That Jubilee House na manpower e wo Jubilee House na mo hwe ko bisa chief of staff say na na do time no mpanyimfo a emma be ya adwuma. Maybe can you
give us an example of such people? Let me have my example of such persons within the Jubilee House.
Oh, say yes, say me penny Atu Isuman say ne ba na koye o man penny dada lawyer.
Are you talking about
example? And you know, Atu Isuman, a member of Council of State. How do you expect Atu Isuman? Say, Biota Fraje, the assembly call the Council of State, Obeka against the president. Oh, yes,
example now, what the amano, emanating from the Council of State. But we want an example that relates to the judiciary.
Oh, judiciary.
Aye.
Oh, judiciary. One fan say, man penyin dada. There's Matisse says a normal correct sa normally no. So man penyin dada. Ovia Gopon. Oba no. You're judicial secretary. Offer judicial secretary for Ovia Gopon. How do you expect say? The judicial secretary and on sign no call of a PJ or make mamino or no tumami no or a bonus so into any judge obedi and so president I know judicial secretary and now you answer na mate say Rade Adam judicial secretary nephew so ama since cause of PJ. And say, Supreme Court, Odiko, South say, but our president, the cousin who say, niece, and to say, Bassa, Pepper. Now, a class, India for Chief Justice, why, then a judicial secretary, to me, Akabi. And to me, because when you are any president, not president, they don't know by it. Bassa, you say, you can't be Council of State. Sami Okujeto, president of the bar, no. No, don't say a president of the Greater Accra Regional Bar. Woman in a yetima, woman Nedi also no, or the Omako, friends, and Namnanado so, and Sami Okujeto, members of the Council of State. How do you expect Sami Okujeto say they assemble, Ako say, appointed? Abofra Samuel Kujeto nim papa say get to talk on at the time ana o man panyin dada edi ni din ko no na Samuel Kujeto ni say ade no achia by that time no na achia so na emu ye ntinka Council of State ana that time no na former Chief Justice George Wood also na Samuel Kujeto former bar president also na woman to yan for one nine sipom and I say oh you are president Debbie ade no Ghana judiciary no ye per se yes something no enti we no ye patrol p sanwachi enti we ye njintum why ne the most senior oh bafu boni adenti na ense say bafu boni ye Chief Justice chere ni enti a ense say bafu boni ye Chief Justice obi adeti ase wọ́n yìí náà mú àwọn ọmọ àánú ẹ̀nà yìí mú bí free ẹ̀kọ́ rédíò so ìtì sẹ́ni ìwé ẹ̀ka wọ́n yìí náà yẹ ká ẹ̀ anyẹ́ jùmọ̀ ẹ̀ntì mi kàkẹ́ àmẹ́tùmí àká ẹni sẹ́ yẹn wà president John Dramani Mahama sẹ́ ọ̀sẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́sẹ̀tì Ghana agenda náà yẹn nyà àkwànjẹ́ fúnfọ́ náà sẹ́ sáà petition yìí succeed no ko appointe abofra bi a na je say we di yenhamo pa na says petitions no succeed na say ofa bafu boni na bafu boni echi or the poama na beba poama echi the nia so baba na say wanchi abribi dia na yin say genuinely no o man no yedi e no man no ho do enti na oye say satisfied the petitions about there on class ma toko no emfa ni huni
me ba so ukasa no uka the research agenda amafo bi adwemu no akwakwa ene say nipa bi mu a na wo mo MPP amanyokuo no no omu susu so omu di boni bi na saa boni no omu di ye no se eye ye mampanyi otisu sese ene na ban eka se saa nkroforo wo mu di omu ko gira asandi bia na omu atwe omu aso a esan se toko no wo horinti no entimi emfa entimi nyeye. Do you think say as adwemporo na wo ye mampanyi ntimu a ne sentino what they what they are suspending talk on me at their free will based on the petitions aba you're trying the committee's report.
You mean abema me de me kama bin say nia nyame say me nkasa me ntwa ntro sa asemu say edika wana beka 2022 Omampenyi CC Omampenyi John Dramani Mahama only NDC lawyer for Kushia no beka bia okay fine enti sa removal process by many American woman say a part of the agenda na Mahama aye enti no ka menko a sobra ye de bo toko ni nyina no na ni chewa mun say Omampenyi dada and a power no into the crime no but fifi moi who say near air coso Ghana no politicians na say or mine no yeah ka say need to be come Mahama trim who say ni say or sincere and na say onye sincere aje yehu be dia say ni be si na yehu ne bobe na say nim na say council of state for say aba wom joyi na wom jejeje wom asem wom ni wom nyame asem senso chief justice afom wa kwanhu pi so say na 3 petitions suggesting enanunti yebeyi na be kwaku ancestry ni ni wasem say constitution no ye fa constitution no kwanso nom di wifem nom di yi na fum obi anfum ne yonko ye katika namum say can okra ye be hu say na do aba we yi Charlotte say or a big fish in the end so NDC so aba there won so be yi obi eno eho na mempe say katika tate for that eno enye but bin so a na eni Omampenyi Dramani Mahama dream say katika and I say we are enti ba ye de ball techi no ono so e de be ball ba e bia na ni ye hwemu a true bra e be say e bia ono kuta adwen foforo kra enti e ma no the benefit of the doubt say yi o man no nkoso enu hia to me as a lawyer no na do be say judiciary no kura say be kan no kura or say no kura
so would you succumb to the statement that Nanado succeeded in politicizing the judiciary? Would you succumb to that statement?
Of course 100%.
Wow,
100%.
And what
I mean, I've said it before and I stand by it and I always say it. Or say judiciary no kura.
And what of the Ghana Bar Association?
Ghana Bar Association, say Becca no Kora. Ghana Bar Association, I say take sides. And one year as strong as the association used to be.
But your size
association, Ghana Bar Association, says I toothless bulldog. One to me, one to me, and yes, one to me, you. Assembly by Nanado, Epao, Tokono, Bar Association, ete ho, It is like one do nice form. Emrana Peter Lajetenum, Kofi Kwenye Hianom, you know, one offer bar association versus urban. If it's had the say Rodens power urban, new urban, so then and I say, you to me kwa asie ekofa ubi. Kuono says no wama ye de di yenim no ne ye metumi aka say pini akokuduro a ye de ko ye no nti na aba ama omampanyi dada Kufuado etumi kofa emrante de omi atani general wo bra seniors ewo ho because na do no feel say okofa senior person bi obeka chere say baby akoye enye but okofa abofra to say Godfrey Damia to me hwe nanim no nka chere say senior ne awoye because abofra that one more power nyina ye kasa say identity na judiciary is the bastion of our democracy into personnel a wo de kono hwe no ye no muntu mi ekuku damfo nko no mun gina no mo save nation no nyina o de mofra kwa yenti say mobeka ya speaker Babin declare 4 seats vacant no. He didn't ask for any constitutional interpretation, and so 5 justices of the Supreme Court they could say receive interpretation issue na issue bi asa Emma no and I feel say omo fa yi toko nu kwa Adam Basina eno nye fair because wo me nipa num na wo mo ko yes ade no chia ye kura na ho na sa enyime 18th October mo bo clips sa 18th 19th 17th October me ka say me can say enye obi na ekum entwi enye obi na bekum entwi na ntwi na bekum ne ho daache na nia toko no was Supreme Court 3 days no anytime the motion no call no on hwe ye na aban foforo bi amba enjira so emfa yi na mfi ho me kae eno na aba nti me kae fe da no kwa me tojom asemi me hu me ka yo eno na da ho no eno na aba no nti next time no mama ye nyina nsori ni enkasa regardless of baby ayema eye adwuma na ka say me dem me buy adwuma o Jubilee House nti na na do form na mahama form me nka mama yan kasa o man no India o man no ye India o man no nye na do dia o man no nye President Mahama dia o man no ye Ghana man FM South Asia nti baby to chima ye ntumi sorry njina o yan kasa na komye pi no enye you confess Jesus Christ if you so after Easter after the resurrection now you don't know the chair sa committee ikura won be yi toko no afi ho mama you say that you better say ya hwehwem the petition will fail no me call up go from asona maka sorry actually but as far as I'm concerned, I think it's a done deal.
Lawyer Ansari pa, so MPP ni pa na okasa say.
You because there's no prayer no baby done and say a bit to me say me ye bu maya ye bu me mind because me MPP and I'm NDC. Me boot mine no Afghan any baby achia no na ya ye nyina hwe say me di 74 years. Me person that ni wa me mane me nana no enye na asumdwe ewo me mpese me chino na me ma gane ti o man no baby mo ma empa Ghana to do enfambu o man no na enye ni MPP ni NDC ni ti so man no ma ni no NDC fa MPP fa mo mi njae no na yemfa no kwedi
enfanye adwuma lawyer efuto we dia Ghana for be fan ke be boa pa but hey say me hwa minority for press release ya omoye ya edam nim ha ya ensamba kwa on gina so a on kan na say ye hwe de ekona as a Mampenyin Mahama, or per se, Obamoding na or Paki ayen your courts, especially the judiciary, with the NDC aligned judges and lawyers. As somewhere Ababetoja from the camp of the minority caucus in parliament, saying that who reacted to this particular issue.
Say a packet court now, NP. Yeah, packet court now. I can't say yeah, packet court. No, then no more can find. Before
Sompa FM.
Yes, line introduce Yanka, Ujina ye kakramaya. Aha. Okay, Lion Patch, one over to Mako, it's you. Wow. Hello, lawyer. Lawyer Ansan Asari, say, call now and the Babachobon friend, and I'm in Vienna. There are questions beyond because the minority caucus says that we will resist this judicial coup. That person bizarre say, or no, former director, Ghana Law School, lawyer and Sansari. No, you say, I'm not going to soon on the first one, or make me resist what has just happened. That is what we just want to know from you. So we conclude this particular interview on Sompa 106.5 FM for God and country. You know, yes, Saka a lawyer, so you're gonna akwakuye interview, you know. Now, lawyer, slow, fetching your line at a quay. Yamakwa Babio.
What's that?
Missy Yamakwa Babio.
Question, Nubium.
Lawyer, question in the say. Aya Edom Kuma wom Rashebedwem. Say as someone more can say we will resist this judicial coup. Aya biano I won mremu no. A queen be wo ho a won betimi afa so a won betimi na resist sa your friend petition here. Ye dey nam so ye dey suspend the chief justice. A queen be da wana.
Na kwan be na da ho. Kwan bi na ho. Kwan na da ho no. Edwan say constitution ne kwan constitution dey ato on say Ghana free mutumi yen nyina essence of money and the no citizens can participate in the judicial process and they pay chema dia kwa article 125 monko kan article 125 1 2 and 3 nti ho no yen nyina kabi na menso min kabi so say nti the minority can say you don't resist. What to me? Resistance be any ho. Ebinom call court. Ena microphone be a frame. Na me say constitution no obiara ni wa say chief justice from anon from ye na say babe wihwem na president setting in motion. No court in this country, not even the United States court, can intervene in this matter. Minority non here.
Okay.
Say no court, absolutely no court. The constitution says the president shall do something. President to sa na mono. President constitution na nka say president to na mono constitution Supreme Court betumi ATM and High Court betumi ATM and Court of Appeal betumi ATM. And yes na mra no say. Mra no say president they set up committee was set up committee na near say bisa say so or setting up in accordance with the constitution and constitution
referring to article 125 1 and 2. I want
1 2 and 3
1 2 and 3. I want to read it for the benefit of our listeners. I will hear a discussion here.
Okay.
Justice emanates from the people.
That's it.
And shall be administered in the name of the Republic by the judiciary, which shall be independent and subject only to this constitution.
Sure.
2 says that citizens may exercise popular participation in the administration of justice through the institutions of public and customary tribunals and the jury and the assessor systems.
Sure.
And then the 3 says that the judicial power of Ghana shall be vested in the judiciary. Accordingly, neither the president nor parliament nor any organ nor agency of the president or parliament shall have or be given final judicial power.
Exactly.
Okay, chirechire mu kakra.
Into Ufa first one, justice emanates from the people. Now, what are your aspirations? The preamble. We the people of Ghana.
Yeah.
We the people of Ghana. So just say.
Yeah, me too.
If we the people of Ghana, you say you democracy no, you say judiciary no, ejina ho pintin tambiano, one demufia. Into BBC pe one be protected ya. Say citizens, you say touchima, you to mikasa. Na yetene no. So they say, I say, it's over, second one. And no say, yeah, constitution no be set up. Judicial adjudicatory bodies,
sure.
Tribunals, customary entities, and no back consulia echo to say, under Article 146.6, President be set up, Committee 146, 6, 7, 8, 9 to 10, and align it with Article 125, 1, 2, and 3. Now, Article 125, 4, a hot nema Chief Justice, no, to me. Ma otumi that is the head of the judiciary. Now independence na constitution no kano. Okay, Article 127 a guarantee ni na minia minchire amanfo ate. Ansa na obenya independence of the judiciary awoma guarantee as you say we seek asem only constitution no kwa. But Ghana Chief Justice judiciary no ye won budget only command executive no on a problems no fi if you do executive no wa president no obi obetumi no afa yonko judge say o kan on kabi because o kwakoji sika na president betumi finance minister aka the sika no bi ni o basenka ye dwe independence no hu yi a ye the budget no kwa and say president everything and since parliament give him just the constitution they are come and no science judiciary no so be homework year and so now the fiscal estimates na ko but the next and the book man or Ghana in bibia no as they say minister of finance or to me cry saying chief justice so I said and justice on also besoma on also the account that them be abeko director budget makonya wa transfer ya we ya say ebinuma da ebinuma enti nia ekoso yemfanye infanto yemfanye osuahu bi foforo bi e wo man we num say democracy kwan ene afa there and all of us are not above the law. Sure. The president is not above the law. The vice president is not above the law. The speaker is not above the law. The chief justice is not above the law. All of us are subject to one law, and that one law is to our constitution.
Okay.
And your constitution no back and one equality before the law.
Sure. But my answer way into dear a minority ne can say sir president one more reinstate here chief justice they will be met with fierce legal battle. It is neither here nor there.
To be who nothing. Nothing.
Okay, so before we take leave of you, we want to look at how we can make the independence of the judiciary very sacrosanct. Because as the appointment, your power even crowd, your chief justice, your judges in the crowd, dear hard drink a cry. What do you think should be the answer to all these problems? Because as you have rightly said, they say, judiciary, this is a executive. Now be Ministry of Finance, do Parliament, and some independence in the crowd, and shada and yinahoye. Say, bisase, ye be pow, ye Chief Justice, some judges to the Supreme Court now. Don't you think, sir? I was executive near from crap because I know, sir, when you go to Britain, as we speak now, one more independent body are responsible for such appointment.
Bodies me ma call US, I call share me call observe one more election of some judges who say US state, you know. Ebinom yɛ to aba wo ma on ye o menye wo nyina na state governors ne president no power ebinom call it through election but oba yen ha na minia nsɛm no dɔɔso. First of all say ye pese ye siesie ye judiciary no ye dia number 1 kwan a fa so de power chief justice no say ye sign hwehwɛ mu biom. Me recommendation is Article 146.4. Man who president to me a power, you know, woman sistano. Na yenka say in simple terms, no, say guano toa na the most senior justice of the Supreme Court shall be appointed, you know, as the substantive chief justice. Any one. Number 2, can't it, you know? Na your judges are you won't feel bad, you know, very senior, very experienced legal practitioners who move any judges no fee. South Asia, and Nana Kupado Papa say, brochure by na wombe practice kakra na womde ye wom e nyam mawom na ebedu bribi Rollins Abreso edu bribia na bar association no na Rollins fa wom say bar association no ha no enti no wamfa wentie womo enuma sembiom enti Rollins ene judiciary no na attorney general sata na Obedesamoa na oye attorney general Samobeka ya Dr. Obedesamoa, the longest serving attorney general in this country. At the time, I know some foreign minister. Na just say nipa baako or wafa 2 key ministerial portfolios. Oka enka. Some meaning na no na judiciary no na say na pro na NDC for etumi ema nkofo bi esama na yesi yi adade si ho yi amoasechi yi lamte imetumi akan sa time no nyina no na menye fi kakra me kai se wo mo ba be yi aban me sure letter ko bar association say ni awon mo ye no na enye they were interfering with the no at the same time. This was in 1991. What I say, and it's a normal air coffee, and yet, and he say, you say, you be CSA judiciary in India, and the master my country on my penny, Mahama, and he said, Sa petition we, me GD say, answer na what to me now could draw a suspended chief justice talk on uno. Let just say, a baby womb. Saba nimu dia ene wafum obere poto the next election.
Okay.
But Saba wum dia na nia waye no ne kwanso no into the next year so ye say all appointed Bafu Boni as the substantive chief justice. Bafu Boni is 68 years. I can't infuse me no penal retire. Okwa ni odi na chi no ni odi ho no ene po ama ye ayaye no chairman of the committee no ono no esise oye the next chief justice enti womo mahama endi omo bi endi ni line mu na ni atotoko ni ensantu obi fofo biom na ye di ye line so ni di obiom sa appointment womo appointed high court judges efi magistrate mu na circuit judge mu womo njai na wamma nkofo enko practice kakra says ya no problems are Ghana benya in 20 years time if you law school but you say you training your lawyers no enye se beka yen kan say ya enye corruption ɛwɔ mu wɔ hɔ nkurɔfoɔ bi a ɛnsi sɛ ɔmo kɔ law school yagye wɔm wɔn nɔmba bɛyɛ chief justice daakye nipa na tua sika ansa na wakɔ law school ɛyɛ dɛn ɛna ɔyɛ judge ɔngye pɛ mɔmɔ yɛn hwɛ wɔn so yie kyɛkyɛ aseɛ na yɛn gya saa nɔma wɔ nyinaa yɛ bɛyɛ appointed judges a yɛn appointed wɔn a wɔn wɔ ɛyi practical experience wɔn a practice law n'akyɛ na nyɛ obi hunu bi a ne afa no ne ayɛ no high court judge ebinom kora ntumi nsite yɛn judges no bi high court wɔn ntumi nsite case baako kora wɔn judgement mu na wɔn nso a wɔn ayɛ adwuma na sɛbi otafra kyɛ ebi a wɔatwerɛ judgement yɛsi judgement no ɛnwa na judgement deɛ lens ne yɛde hwɛ. Is the quality of the judgment. And some about the power, because of appeal judges from high court now. No matter woman, judgments, no, any one experience in a new beer and to make sure judgment about or a good material, bench, you know, because our talent be any actual talent. And also I say, in short, you know, I say suitably qualified person to onto the bench. And for elevation na yaba answer na ni nyina be ye no the way I appointed and chief justice the appointed and chief justice is any ananado appointed chief justice na Georgina Wood no qualify Kufuor try so benyano we try so or solid so for Kufu solid so as answer na ye chief justice ne beto ko nso a na ni fisa
Now on your solid. No, too solid. But this one is a quick one before you go. Say no, dear, nkomo I cost wa bonting. NDC for can I know say a year nanado mo pake a year courts no with all members. Say a year your friend is saying MPP for so accuse NDC for some more pake a court no with all members. Say no public confidence in the judiciary. The Senate.
Public opinion, the judiciary confidence is very low. And they say quite they take us our man much and before any confidence be our judiciary. Senior and this forms any confidence in the judiciary why the MPP government was in power. Sanity and notice and I may say senior be mommy enfa NDC MPP non to change. Na yen ka se Ghana for yen ye dwuma se Ghana for yen approach nyina se Ghana for yen attitude yen se Ghana for but yen se me MPP and me NDC
me that say lawyer Ansan Asare, former director Ghana School of Law, and artist Meneno Edin Commander. Lawyer, we're very grateful to your time, but we'll have more of such conversation in studio. Mubaha ebe nepa. Sabre me kwa manu subio namini lawyer William Kusi or any patriotic member. Na no Edin Commander. Lawyer Kusi na mpacha poverty say.
Mejo so minia.
La mpacha who ye there?
Oh yes, we share.
Yeah.
So mekania na do ti me charge me phone me dia for na me ba.
Yeah, lawyer. Lawyer have shift bow.
Do gale. Ya to ya color ya got black and white.
Hey, lawyer, someone has started kicking.
Oh no kuda ya to na say ya tu na kan nya issue. Ana ada issue.
That's a mumu dia na mu say adum siesie, but we dia na adum so.
Yes, where do you do so you can know. The difference is clear.
Lawyer Abochie will like to see. Yeah, that's the name with their family and the I was Sompa 106.5 FM. So for God and country. Now, not many lawyer. Ansan Asare Edin Komo, former Ghana School of Law director. Now, assembly me bisa na say. Say NPP for NDC for tama na omuni abemuno no mo say judiciary cry as a NPP for edi omunkrofo akogu ho say musumu call opposition no musumu accuse NDC for say omuso ba be pack the judiciary with their people, and because of that it's making the public confidence in our judiciary system very very low. Anya bia ade we no ebrebe na mu NPP ni NDC sa de mo bejai
ayajai
Mwejai.
Na MPP for yen can't send this for party the judiciary with their people.
Hey, now what's a minority caucus and parliament? What's your almost statement? I'm the Abonteno.
Now say they haven't appointed any person to the bench yet. What do you say?
Okay.
And it's premature to make that accusation. But what I want to say is that in this very instance, Omo and Namoya campaigns Omo Chief Justice Efriho. President is quoted to have said that. I said Nketiah has said that many other party functionaries. That to us we thought it was politics. But what is happening now is that they are implementing that political talk. And we are saying it is dangerous for the country, the cohesion of the country, for our judiciary, and everybody. That is the point that we are making. And to complain, and say, let us maintain the dignity of the judiciary by not doing politics with it. And to say, Oma campaign promise. To say, no, can say, your mama can say, not case, no. Only the only you know to about the good in here. I'm saying no. Oba on your market no. That is what it is. We expected the judiciary to be the same. Omo can idea, but on by because of say rather than when the compare to ombo, no man name according to law. So Oba Kaya, President, I can't say what a petition. No, he proceeded to the Council of State without recourse to the Chief Justice responding to the petition. The Chief Justice had to protest before the President gave her the opportunity to respond. That is number one. Did the President not know or need Attorney General? Why were they going to hear somebody without hearing her side? And the first indications are these people have ulterior motive. Unfortunately for us, and in this case, I'm not blaming John Mama. It's the law. It says that when the Chief Justice is accused in a petition, nobody should know. They should keep it as a secret so that the President can deal with the secret without letting us know. And I think it's a weakness in the law. They say many discussions here. The BA grounds were rumor. Officially, we are not told what the woman has done. And when they say quoting us, Obi, I wouldn't name the why and she has suspended. You think it would be fair?
But yesterday, Namiti, the communications director of the NDC, Sami Jemfi, on the network over here in Accra, and he alludes to the fact, sir, Chief Justice, according to Auditor General's report, or Kahun say, na kwan tuo bi a wo 2 year, was all the bodyguard there call, akwa fani kunu, ebi o de ne man akọ, na sa nneema no nyina no, ade criminal, and then Mustafa Bandi, the deputy secretary, deputy secretary for national secretary for the NDC, and so Eban Botimbe can same. I don't know. Does that borders on say they know the content of the petition?
That is a big question, and without prejudice to the past, they may not even know. Will that be a ground of removal? And the president. I mean, this kind of questions wouldn't say NDC meeting or mining, legal mining. It's one who's called Kempiski. One who's called budget of course.
Okay, so for your information, Yansaka Rashid Computer, Deputy Director of Elections NDC, so let me welcome you, Rashid Computer. And I'm to say, Rashid, I'm to say. You have your friend, your lawyer, your friend lawyer William Kusi also on the other line. So be informed as such. So the conversation. Until me patcho la Kusi, patcho na be down kana ma anu to na me ma Rashid Computer.
Me pese me chese. Sa se ma o se ayi Sami Jamfikan, it cannot be a ground for impeachment. If it was sanctioned by law, it cannot be. So you have to say, Auditor General, you find this against somebody. You have an committee saying, no, you may not respond. I mean, the truth of the matter. You don't say Auditor General has said A, and you are going to impeach her based on that. What is the procedure that we use if the Auditor General accuses somebody of having done something? The person is given the opportunity to respond to it. And whether her persecution or prosecution is right becomes something not for the public to discuss.
All right, so thank you. Okay, enti jina soma me na me call Rashid ho. Rashid ya ma akwa ba bio na ohwe nkomo ya aba beto dwe ya. Anye bia no utie lawyer Kusi a o de so morning nyina constitution rather, but not the president. So in all this process, then I'll be on Sompa 106.5 FM on the suspension being meted out to Chief Justice.
It's a good news for the good people of Ghana. Suspension way.
Sompa FM.
John Dramani Mama handed over to the Chief Justice. It's good news for Ghana. It's good news for the judiciary.
I didn't know Kasa.
We are not coming from Jupiter and Mercury. We are all on Earth. And we are in Ghana. I expect this one to throw that question to the lawyer who was talking about it. We are using the 1992 Constitution and the 1969 Constitution. The same Constitution they use in removing Charlotte Osei and the deputies. The same Constitution they use. What was the electoral commission? A constitutional body. Independent body.
Yeah.
The process they use in removing Charlotte Osei, where were the lawyers?
Ana antino dia mo ye no mo pa che say wo ma ye bia atua mo kam ntumo mo ye bia atua mo kana
No na me kind no. I want them to understand that they shouldn't be talking as if these laws came into being just when John Mama came to power. The laws that they are talking about, the same laws were used.
But Rashid, to be fair to lawyer Kusi, he alludes to the fact that as some way is, anya dia wono no odisi muono ebo ayeye man penyin President Mahama, but rather he is accusing our constitution.
And so long as the constitution continues to exist and in full force, we have to deal with it. And we have to deal with it. It has not been amended. That's why we have formed a committee to look at the amendment of the constitution. And yes, sir, it's part of our 120 this thing that we had with Daniels. That one, when the voters power, within our first 120 days, we are going to set up a committee to look into the constitution, the amendment of the constitution. We've set that a committee. It's in place. If they have issues, they should go there. They should give their issues about the constitution to them. They should stop wasting our time about issues. Is it because they want us to believe that the woman is a woman organizer of MPP or what? Is that what they want us to know?
But is that what you are suggesting right here, sir, or a woman organizer of the New Patriotic Party?
Why are they crying all over the place? Why are they crying all over the place?
Computer so mama na me call a lawyer Kusi. Kusi ora Kusi. Na talk no or a woman organizer.
Me who so wa share MPP party calendar. I don't know how to be a politician. The president appointed her according to the same constitution that he's referring to. And she was qualified at the time. And look, you see, the argument that the DBA Charlotte to me, no, it's neither here nor there. We are growing as a country. Now, said the Chief Justice in the Electoral Commission, he knows that. This is one of the arms of government, and she's the leader. And the Electoral Commission is a function of the executive. And you cannot compare to, we are talking about an attack on the judiciary. And as a lawyer, I believe that I should be careful when the judiciary is under attack by politicians. Now, if your mama succeeds in removing her, where's the guarantee that the next president will not be an NDC guy also remove whoever your mama put in place? I don't see any of them natural petition. And so we are complaining about that kind of behavior like children who are doing politics. Our constitution is old enough from 92.
So would you want to suggest, sir, NDC Amanyo Kono Yeno, they are behaving like children in politics?
Yes, sir. You shall not present. Yes, you Chief Justice. If that is the reason, then it's childish.
Wow. Okay, so
if something is wrong in the past, it cannot be correct presently. Because maybe what I say, and with Charlotte say, I don't want us to go into details of what she did, for which a finding was made against her, and it resulted in what it is. It is quite different from this one. It is quite different, and I've told you already that there has been propositions, comments, and commentary about the removal of the Chief Justice even before the election.
Okay, so
as a nation, we should mature beyond that and look at what will be good for the country. It's not a partisan thing.
Okay.
Look, I've said that this Chief Justice, as I told you, minimum political lineage. And if you ask me personally, I don't like her ways. But the issue is not about her. It's about protecting the judiciary from political interference. That is what we are saying. That there should be laws which are strong and solid enough to protect the Chief Justice from being removed on frivolous charges by the executive.
So no, but like Kusi, so I don't like this Chief Justice. I don't like her ways. The ways ben I wompe.
The way Ochina no mempe.
The way I heading.
Ochina no mempe. You get the point. Wow, you be now watching and do mama ka so watching no. The way Ochina no mempe. And I'm not a fan of that Chief Justice. But the point I'm making this point because
lawyer.
Yes.
Oh, lawyer, the way you're training. Now, David.
All these voices could say, "Don't America say what you know."
Who can say feeling no? Be another conduct be or what? And yentina o kase feeling. Now the what?
And I'm saying yes. I'm not hearing a member. You are being a new show.
Lie, Mammy, you know, so I'm going Rashid, lawyer, describe political party as a Moyambo from Bofra, as in politics in Kwadanyamanamoye. How do you respond to it?
I'm saying that they are showing us that Chief Justice or your woman organizer. I don't understand them. I don't know why they are so worried about this one, as if it's some life and death matter. What they were doing is in 2017, 2018. They didn't know that the people they were doing against were Ghanaians.
You see, was Akabio.
As if they are more Ghanaians than anybody in this country. Have they forgotten so soon what they did? They were all over the place. 2016, not the platform. When we win, we will remove her. And true to their work. As soon as they came to power, they formed a Trump charges against her. And in the deputies, when we're not in Ghana, today they want to tell us what they know about the Constitution. They know all the words more than anybody in this country. She should go and avail herself before the committee. That 5-man committee, the most said to me, President Mama said to me, she should go and face it. She's a judge. She knows what is expected of her. And they should be telling people the right thing, rather than going on this tangent. We want to make sure that the judiciaries are properly independent. So, or a lawyer penny. Lawyer Kusi or a lawyer penny. Only say judiciary will say that and get proper independence. Even this their own minister, national security. Eja, okay.
Meet you.
Hello.
Meet you, pa.
National security minister under President Akufo-Addo.
Then
Kandapa. And you know, Supreme Court judges, that the kind of ruling they are doing is to pose security threat to the country. And you know, okay. So, okay. He said those things to them. Where were Lawyer Kusi when they were doing all this and his people?
Okay, so Lawyer Kusi, I want you to respond to this quickly so we can sum up this discussion right here on Sompa 106.5 FM. What's your response?
To what? I didn't hear him.
You didn't hear him?
No, the
so we dia de enya sa na enye etino se se ye jawa mo akokrakra
but my main kind of same way you are an objective person.
Yeah,
listen to the statement of the other side and you know that they are only doing this because they are being vindictive, not because the same substance in what they are doing. He is telling you, see the video binti to do be there. It's the same 1992 constitution, and that is where the problem is. And that is where the childishness is. Let us grow as a people and develop a nation that is robust, that can contain any party in power and yet grow. Not this kind of politics would be Nipano adwene a leadership ma this country will never grow.
No, lawyer, me answer na me kokra no. I want to find out from you. And you know, asabwe abai minority caucus in parliament. We am renimini. Ombetimi challenge the decision of a president to suspend a chief justice here now.
There's no decision which is judicial or administrative that cannot be challenged. It depends on how tight it is. If administratively, procedurally, or apart to be challenging. But in substance, it is a procedure. It hasn't ended yet, and it's abided by the processes so far to be very difficult to get the point.
Yeah.
But the 14 process they can challenge it at this stage.
But Usha, the course abided by the process, Anna.
Oh, so far mistake back where he went back and corrected himself. And so far, I have not personally identified any loophole in the process he has adopted so far.
Okay, so for the benefit of our listeners out there, mistake ben or correct?
Oh, it is the fact that he didn't give the Chief Justice the opportunity to look at the content of the petition, and yet called the Council of State and establish a prima facie case. Chief Justice can immediately or the command of Council 10 days on respond.
Okay.
And that was the correction that he made.
Lawyer William Kusi, for your time this afternoon. Yamin Shrapa. Now, computer man, what's a bit chatro? Yeah.
We want to reset the judiciary so that Ghanaians can enjoy their benefits of their labor. You cannot be laboring in this country and some group of people will constitute themselves islands and be terrorizing the country. Judicial terrorism. That's what we are trying to run away from.
Where you better was Rashid, computer man, deputy director of elections NDC. But you better hear our studio, Hapa Rashid.
Your call has been put on hold.
Hey, Anyara Jovola. Achare menye me chakuwo. Gakamaro vovolira jafomato. Dagati fosubeka se. Yaya kole zele, yaya kole zele, yaya kole zele kapogo betara nimbre. School fees. Me ba cho beti afred wa beju be die so. Enkomo twetwe akoso nyina no. What do you think of the enkomo twetwe ni nyina? 0260 196064 0260-196065. Pacho bet me afred number see. Now do adwen kire abeboa. 0260-196064 0260-196065. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
The Pacho one minute the kasai. Me da say, oh, uti empower, you da say pa. What am I? Chawa dwene enkwe.
Mo ikai ma memo abaso. Na me pa kwenya nche just ko dia fempo general secretary MPP papa. Ela ko fi opposition cancer. And Dr. Allah Mahmoud Bawumia 2028 inshallah obeba be jo mo so. Media. The best NDC for. O man no they see a see opinion. Babu the guy was saying ni baboni mi be do man so bibia separate. Ene bibia boye tene. Ensio kra ne nto embe ya ne ensio ta e ma be from to mama yesrew. Mami wonya boni bia na office abu ye ama wo NDC for mama be take care eno ento aba no because ye campaign o ka fe mo ba tami ye fie ni mo so mo ba asuda for police pelifo o be yi zo madi no mo the NDC police ni aba e bi na cross no sa insana mu catch wall mo kan wo say 4 years now haya o aba MPP ye be the same thing can they do what on abo o be ka say
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. KBBB Bulu is capital to Chimay.
KBBB, that's the same. Me we about KBBB. I don't know how we are
I never could Sana. I have me last interview we you.
Then I'm here.
What you said to and it is a Tango computer.
Oh.
Because so much upon the east out of Nano. Oh no. And no young man who was overseas. Into the only other say, what you're for penny Azano, or no more Atano Crest. Your functionality here, Jumano. We are one, you ended about TPO. Nipania do so one day, you wouldn't you point? Kenyam Rampan come for the Betaya. I should give a ball.
I see. Midasi pass over you. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
About one a minute, Cassie.
Hello, Jacob. Yeah. Hello?
Yeah, me bato o kasa frame.
Me kasa Kaswa Pastor.
Kaswa, what are my patriots you why?
Jacob from Kaswa.
Yo yet you.
Pastor, this year I send me a double. Yeah, about Chief Justice Nyino. And the current power. And a petition about Obiacho petition about I tell Mama about the problem. Huh? Chief Justice the first time, and yet the first time in. I am more government. It was coming. I said, then I pray I would cut off the they said, Mama, you know, yeah.
All right, you can also call and be a part of the show. 0260 196061 0260 196065. Hello, good evening. Bebato, dini baby akasa free. Okay, I dance your boss in Patriot. Yet you, yeah.
Bro, now go punch it up. What you so one and we interview so I want to say, you know, CBS, what is the police for Chia, how much questions now, or my money and upon it. I want to show more. And I'll go and say it. Now, we party, a more party is just funny. I said, Ghana, the other man, I said, Obiaba said, I said, a good game because the man economy just there. Hey, now the air consider around and every because on basis now man the air consider I am actually to me some more memo how to be about a petrol and who don't know yeah the man economy a Prof. I said Nimudian once they are all idea to say Ubecata will be as good car left in so many money not the economy among some money and yet they're gonna and idea here and then you well open the mama ban or you know. Prof, so let's talk to this caller right here. Hello, good evening.
Sompa FM.
Good evening.
Bazowana manene kase.
Abuni, I Sompa Techiman class prophet.
Oh, Sompa Techiman class prophet. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, that's
we are my what na work at all this Sompa.
It's you what I call.
Let me send this message to MPP for Muti Sompa. Nah, you be passa Nanka. Your mama saw by your respect. I was over there for the person who Abra won't go to be at the major button, no so. As a major button, and I answer, I know. Into the section, no, if you don't know. So they should get to say, we are setting Ghana. Now everything will be okay. And my minister said, no, why they are removing the woman, the issue definitely come out. I'm going to be and yeah, for nothing. Thank you.
Yes, yeah, that's it. I think we'll pick about 2 or 3 more calls and then we end this session. So what do you think? Let's get talking on Sompa 106.5 FM. The numbers to call 0260 196064 0260 196065. Okay, my info call away. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, about 1 minute, Cassie.
Bacha me did na Jessica pa me profit Techiman.
Nana Jessica pa that's saying.
Oh, no me from.
Oh, facha me. Yeah.
No me from me catch you say. Ghana card no on say ma. I correct say make us
Nanaji. Yeah, where pa? It's you.
Me pacho problem na mo ye no me che ho papa
Sa.
why are there pa nyame israel she say o ye nipa bi a wo free classic no maza why are there pa de me ka cho nyina no why are there pa
Me that's
na na de me say me come ye nyina say say no kwese MPP for no mo disika asenti ye ma me ne honom na wo mo betima abahwehwem ye nhunu dia amani what did you move? Say, but now what can I say? Anti-system now what you know. Say, no, class, and then say, why you, man, what you are, anyway, you know, them. If you say, the MPP for the Moko Quatra, near to Mania, yet one will say, what is can you, what you want because you're small, so where MP. I was not an animal. One phone call, say, the Uber, you, Ginamano. Let us be brave.
Yes, sir. That's so do I drink to the boy, you know. I think we'll do with the last caller right here, and then we'll say goodbye to the calls, and then there's a conversation yet to unfold. You know. But 0260196064. Let's do with the last caller right here. Hello. Good evening. Good evening.
Hello. Good evening, sir. You are dealing with Sir Loco.
Sir Loco.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. How can I free?
You're from Loco.
Loco, who can I free?
Not Tennessee.
Not K. That's all. Yet you, why?
Not Tennessee. President no onye Bonibia na Prof. There will be say a moment of consequence. A moment of consequence. One was some na koda asangama. And to our lady to admit and then an apology. No follow with a resignation. No man no turn. Anwe open forward. I say anwe pori. Anwe akofa samaba. Anwe pori. Oh, okay, madam. On one, I go to what? Mr. Chika, that's why I go multiples of beaches. That is the word used by Mr. Chika. Multiple beaches. Multiples of beaches by the Chief Justice.
Oh, I believe you want to say multiple breaches. That is what you want to communicate across.
So, it is Mr. I fear to me. Exactly, yes, you can correct me. I will accept it.
Sompa FM.
Now, Mr. Fremaki, are you sympathizing with the woman just because you are final and the woman is Dokono?
All right, you better ask why are there so bad you ready so and talk to this caller. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, sir. But one minute in Kasai. Okay, that's fine. What am I patrolling you? Why?
You, the American say, chief guest, yeah, you know, a film, no, and yet your mamma, now you know, film. Nipa na motere call your mamma, say, you know, film, no, among whom is sick beer, among drunk cold. The MP before ye Ginamwa, or Modia dance is supposed to know. And yes, I at you. Because my name is Mr. Bebril, or Tracia, or Ghana, I'm not antenna, and yet, you know, Jima or Ghana, I see. Now, say, Nipa Bia who said, or some now much drug or say, young you through what I'm Nipa from Messina, and I'm who for a beer, President, yeah. MP before so Montias, you know, okay, or Basto, very said, you said, no, or Oya Magana for a Yaniki, or Yaramas.
Right, okay. So say I'm for Freddie be a view, a friendly see. A Freddie see, no, they be a producer with a you're for Freddie see, but okay, with the producer opportunity, and for last one. Hello, good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening.
Hello. Good evening.
Me ba talk frame.
Me ka jabri of Anko Barrier.
Of Anko Barrier. What am I patrol you? Why? When I call up.
Me ka jabri of Anko Barrier from Janimo.
Janimo eti you.
Me ka jabri of Anko Barrier from Janimo. Yeah. One of the category. And then you remain talking with Mr. Amenkia, General Secretary wife. General Secretary, Anna Haji Asafia Mohammed, Anna Apanamati. Yamika Yanese, and yes, Anna Tiadia, Yanyam Rancho. We are IGP, we are Special Commander, we are Chief Justice here. About the supper, no sure letter, no resign, not yet. Now, I'm going to politics. Let us idea no yadi kan da politics dada. And then no man mo ye. And this only a time na to be ta bo ya ma. And ma ko yi dia ma ye. Bye bye.
Eda say, eda eti fu ase. Yen shanu so sa Jumadie yi Jumakuo bi ana afa ho ka. Electroland Ghana Limited. Abusia. So wa ha na utemenka na upese udi electronics hu dwa. Jumakuo a mekamfo ama osisi aso ko na so ya obenya electronics ni bi ato a ne bo eda fom. Eni kotokuom ya wa 2 eka kasakro de a eye Electroland Ghana Limited. E hona akọ na akotonia electronics say fridge, say microwave, say all the electronics that you can think about, air conditioning, say fridges, washing machines, say kettle, rice cookers, microwave, any blenders are bombarding na for the tray. Electroland Ghana Limited. So who show me check when Techimana, woman Techiman Roman Catholic Church, you know, and as a backsword no edin share no more. So open one check when one crying. One more Adenta barrier, Dansoman runabout, industrial area, be animal complex needing share no more. Kumasi, she show more Cassie Junction, Techiman Tech Junction. Na Techiman Bimoa, woman Roman Catholic at Asondro. And I say backsword no they didn't share more. Over to me from 0245 949495 0245 949495 0245 949495. And of course, remember, doing business without advertising is like being in the dark. No one else knows what to do except you. Grab the opportunity now. Come and advertise on For God and Country, and we'll sell our product for you to get out of the darkness. And the upper change in answer say, so who did that? Ne Jano, one for Mambon, Tinga, Yanfa Kania, and Shrenswa, as a Wosumu. Who was Sumupa? Did the Akacho say, a person you Fisuma, this all by advert, Sompa 106.5 FM. I won't cry her. Yenumbo. Yene awa tu eda form enu kotokum eka kasakro ti bomodi na bra why na yen nidwa emfa maw e wo Sompa 106.5 CCI na nkoma bi so ho na nsan koedue mu yi accident sisi pao bese na wotwi kra no accident a matenka no accident ro ade dream ye because accident is Chale wa utie me ebi betimi ato maame ebi betimi ato nua ebetimi ato adwuma mpanyin empo ebi betimi ato obi a o betimi oma usika ma odididie ti de me ka kire onyina no say akwanhia no eden and again say you say Petro Bosu go from gra pa. But you know GPRT for. You know GPRT for. Oh, me can papa you help him. Ayo Samuel Amwa or a deputy PRO GPRTU. GPRT for the just go.
Well, you ntimi mpusika sika de ye. Adwuma ye nso ye de apisika. Enti no yegusu pebi.
Bibia be fine.
Oh nyame ho.
But I say what watch ya kwantempon so akwansia na doso.
Yeah.
A hadwin. They say Ghana ni bia no o tu kwan kra. I said I am hihie. The ekosoro now we would want to find out from you. Then officer this akwansia no eba.
Menya meda sibebre prof maminchia wɔtiefoɔ ahwɛfoɔ saa bere nyinaa na memfa saa akonya yi so nso ɛmfa nkyia be GPRT mpanimfoɔ a saa bere pii na ɛtie me national chairman Nana Nimako Bresiama ɛne ne vice ɔno nso bɔ n'akyi dɔm a ɔno nso double the Greater Accra regional chairman ni Okanta Ankra the first the yɛbɛka nyinaa ne sɛ yɛbɔ ɔmo aba so paa wɔ adwuma pa ɔmo bɔ yes yɛmbra saa akwanhyia nsɛm yi a abɛyɛ boakye bi din ɛde ama Ghanafoɔ nyinaa hyɛnkafoɔ de timamufoɔ passengerfoɔ nyinaa ɛyɛ adeɛ bi ɛha adwen papaapa yie na mɛhwɛ a ɛm sɛ nnora kra me nenam social media na mehu accident bi on a suhum kwan no so hɔ baabi sprinter bus bi according to what I was seeing and I just say nipa bɛyɛ 11 ɛna ɛwu at the spot wotietie mu a ne yɛse kyerɛ sɛ tanker driver bi ɛfiri Kumasi kwan ɛɛba ɛna yɛhu a ne sɛ wate asi kwan baako no mu a ɔfɛsi the incoming vehicles na ɔde kɔhyia ɛyɛ sprinter no ma nipa bebree fa mu de hwere ɔmo nkwa ɛyɛ adeɛ bi ɛha adwen yie paa na nneɛma a yɛ a na ɛta kɔfa akwanhyia ɛba no ɛna bi a meba bɛbobɔbobɔ bi so ɛma yɛahyɛnkafoɔ a 8 years saa bere ɛne timamufoɔ nso 8 years saa bere no mbɛtumi ahwɛ na ɔmahyɛ ne nso yɛba ahyɛnkafoɔ sɛ driverfoɔ ankasa yɛdwumadi a yɛdie no a yɛfrɛ biribi sɛ ka ne sɛn careless driving yɛba ne careless driving ho asɛm a yɛkan a kyerɛ sɛ yɛnim sɛ wo driver ni baabi a wonam yi wahu paa sɛ aha yɛnyɛ overtaking yɛde sign asi hɔ sɛ aha ɛnsɛ sɛ woyɛ overtaking na wofɔ so ɛde yɛ overtaking obi wɔ nso a baabi a ɛnsɛ sɛ ɛka ne sɛ wo maintain wo speed limit baabi wɔ hɔ wadu ebi ɛsɛ kɔ 50 kilometers per hour na ɔkɔboro saa ɛno nso timi de akwanhyia ɛde ɛkɔba no na bere nyinaa ya ne yɛ ka kyerɛ ahyɛnkafo a ɛnam kwan so ne sɛ driver ni papa ne nea watimi akɔ aba bedu fie asomdwe mu because wokɔi wakra fie sɛ mekɔ akɔyɛ adwuma ɛde abanya bibie de abetu table so wokɔi nso no apassengerfo nyinaa nso nkwa ɛhyɛ ɔmo nsɛm ɛhyɛ wo driver ni nsɛm mpempi ya na metaka bibi sɛ doctor ni ɛyɛ mistake baako a ya na nipa baako pɛ na ɛfɛ mu hwere ne nkwa but yɛmfa nsɛ hyɛnkani yɛ mistake a yɛnhwɛ akra dodo a yɛ na ɛfɛ mu hwere ɔmo nkwa nti na kyerɛ sɛ ahyɛnkafo dwumadi a yɛdi no ɛho hia ɛma yɛn ne ɔman Ghana nyinaa na ebiomu nso adeɛ baako a yɛtimi ahwɛ baako biomu paa nso ɛyɛ fatigue driving sometimes yɛ na driver ni bi wɔ hɔ a okuta car na wobɛhwɛ no wabrɛ instead sɛ nka bi a wobɛpake agye na home kakra no na oguso ati afidie n'akyi ebi na saa tanka yi a yɛka ho asɛmi ɔba saa kwan mu a ɔbɛku nkrɔfo bebrebe nyinaa egyina sɛ ebi a car okuta no wabrɛ na ɔda ɛna ɛkɔfa saa deɛ ne ba wɔ mmerɛ mu no wɔ yɛ road traffic act a govern yɛ transport sector no ɛkyerɛ sɛ driver ni deɛ o drive and is o drive more than 4 hours a won't take a rest at least you drive up to 4 hours I say utimi nya about 30 minutes rest and so wetimi atoa ɛyɛ journey ni so
ba we no drivers no mudi so deɛ
any asɛm no ye nya akwanya de bia ye bɔ ho dawuro we know say pii na di so but ebi nso ɛyɛ asomɔden oh and ebie mu nso yes say o drive 8 hours for the day no o drive 8 hours a ɛsɛ sɛ utimi pon hence o drive more than 8 hours no nso ɛwɔ saa mmara kro ya ye ka ho asɛm yi saa nneɛma na ya yesusu sɛ
maybe esa asɛm de sisi bi
message so
sisi mame
wo ye road traffic act govern the transport sector no
sure
the wo mo ebi ɛkyerɛ sɛ no parking no park where ɛsɛ sɛ yɛkyɛw o ye overtake wrongful overtaking ne ade ne ɛkeka ka ho no there is a portion so ɛkyerɛ sɛ we driver ni ukuta hyɛn a wode fa passengers to kwan a o drive 4 hours bia ɛsɛ sɛ utimi park at least 30 minutes na unya rest ansa wetimi atoa journey ni so ebiomu nso ɛnsɛ sɛ o drive continuous more than ɛnsɛ o drive for the whole day no ɛnsɛ o drive more than 8 hours ɛnsɛ o drive more than 8 hours that's right more than 8 hours nti na kyerɛ sɛ o ye journey bi journey ni be take you about 16 hours 15 hours ne there about more than 8 hours ese utimi nya spare driver e wo nchen a uduru baby a ono nso ebetimi agye hyen no na watimi atoa journey ne so ananso say wo drive with 8 hours ni wi a obe park car na wada so that you continue on the journey the next day. That is mra e govern the transport sector, right? But the who say driver for ni bebre na endi so minia accident pi na ye si no fatigue driving bre we are driving ni na otisti achi a minia time and na be fa on wan hwe ni ahu wani gusu say but because wa bre no na chese wa den na wa famu edi ada
sa de na agabi ye wia me pen nti wo ya na me so kai
serious ye nyina ebitimi ewia yen nti hu ne sa eno an sa wo be parking chain say wo betimi walk around kakra wo si obi na ade be ohuru animu ni ade a wanim ni ade a na chese watimi anante kakra na wasan abetina wo steer na chi no watoa akwantu no so. Now in the area of can is the causes of accident na no ebi etimi ekofa ties mostly egu ye hyen ase. All right, ade ba kwa ye nya akwanya ya yetimi kan ho asempa ne say most of the time ni ya na drivers ni bebre wo omo nhwe ties na egu ye hyen ase no obu okoto tie na o hwe tie no ye say o tie na ye fine e was good wanwe ne se kan ba do be he no na bi kura po na expiring date ache no na che say egu hyen ase o driver kakra
o okoto tie na o be de no wo say tie na
expiring date wo ho. Oh, expiring date or tie ho. Yes, expiring date or tie ho. Tie no so no, your tie e be a commercial, e be a private.
Producer make us much. Producer should be doing answer why this is producer. Yeah. Papa you be here in a week be here no because school fees I was yetimi here kwanso. Because say o share accident nipa dodo a ekum even in a day anya de keto
serious ade hard dream papa oh driver ni no ho ye driver bia e wo asede kese esse oye. Yes, we can complain about the nature of our roads. Most of the roads enye papa to say you kuma say quantum point say u free e kan say kibi free Chebi Junction ede kono kwana ye basa or sometimes no obe dodgy pothole na kwakoshia incoming vehicles na de keka ka ho but de eka nyina ne say wo ye driver ni na unim say kwan amenam so no e kwan no enya bomodiana limit with speed. All right, limit with speed we say e kwan na amenam so no e kwan ni nye nti nka me drive 80 kilometers per hour me reduce speed because kwan na amenam so no e kwan no enye
now so mom share Facebook.
That's right.
Go Facebook a mo ties ni bi o ti bomodi na ko Facebook sisi na ko hwe ne was ties no obetimi akwa na tie we na egu ka ase oh ba GPS inform so edu be bia mo ni we nyina so station ho no car style we egu ka ase na still mama car na etu
menia ade bia yes metima ka se fie bia mensa wo mintimi ntena wo fie kase so
efie bia mensa wo mo efie bia mensam
yo ni akakabensem ewum me da se bebre wo mintimi nyina wo fie kase so enka se oh yes stations ni nyina omo yo mu bibia pepepe ni de ekeka ka wo da bi bentimi nyina ofidi kase so nkasa na mum ye gusu this time around no ena makwanhie sisi ne ade ntino ye union gas ne ye training ye pre departure checks ewo most of the stations are ye operating no before say car ni betu no we make sure say ties egu car na se no ties air ties papa me metimi the station e dey typical example before say every Monday ye can say internal checks and making sure say ties egu cars na se no ties papa and I said driver ni nso okoko drive car no so no ni roadworthy ni insurance and the license BBI valid and san we two car no so these are the things ye penning for and I say union gas I set you no omo stations omo making sure
so ma na me kwa about so na ye ne chief superintendent Alexander Obeng or no director for research training and education or MTTD division of the Ghana Police Service. Now Chief Super, how correct, sir?
Me, I'm Joseph.
Now, what to say?
Oh, yes, not done.
Yeah, yes, we are here, pa. That's it. Hey, Edra Yantia Samode. Suhum Aquensiana is your unwarding pow. Hey, Ghana for ye woo.
Sompa FM.
So, Lady Kaimama Ubiajo. Na, when can say, no, this year, no, and yet, there, else, yes, so, and yet, if you say, I will see a phone baby, any other baby, and you have to account some. And until near call Eastern, the border will be brave. Until now, Eastern Mudia, ye economy immuno. Na ye bay nanse, ye antia sempa, and ra. Edi kan ewo NCC so ewo menase odi free hon mo bank and also do any chires mo. Any ne esi ba ko so esi wadanse area wona. Ne be kan se we kwanhia no ne fare ba ya ese na nsa wo kontu ya ni mu wasa na ukona wo kwatente na wo basa anopa mu hosa bobeye no numu anopa eba no nsia no watukwa achesa wanhia na na ebeti aguso na ba bi akwanhia ni si ya kakase no etifa nkwanchan esi kwa ni si ekohia hia na walu do no kono ba bi kopimu ema ya lusu nipa beye dumienu no na ahadwi enti yebetufu nisisi aya na futu no ho hia paase edi kan kwa na ebetima ya ni mienu ebo ho nta o kwa na oba ofri nsawo ekusu mu ebo ho nta de nanso isan se ka ni bi wosoro so no wa hwe na umire kani form kakra wanye okaye na wani na ho pe ba hwe abitima kokwamfa atia kusi ne oba enim na akofo yi ne tse de mesi ya na banti e bestrese e driver ni a uchu ka wa ho de no pa ejina don hwe ngotwe da munu nyina mu na abitima bi akaka ene se uchu ka no abe 4 hours na kwa ho me kakra no sa to so for na 8 hours of work and ohumia okoda na de echi na to so ye na sama yire me ho akọ ni nu fia ni nyina le fi no de wanhwe ya na beti aguso na fatigue so anabre ene kaka enko nti ebese o mo kaka ka sipane dudu no ya na o kontikro no mo ba obi ntia mo nchen wanhwe na beti mafa nti ebese se utwika no aya no ahome kakra nti Oma womo fa ngono ne petrol ni diesel no ni ade no any other holy truck drivers no eya no mo kwan no wa ebi free tema on twisian ko du komase ebi di frafla ko elubo ebi di to asu twam komase ekosiri bupe etwam ko tamale ebi di ko wa ebi di ko banda eni ade na ebi ko atwam efapaga eko mali ni Burkina Faso na omo hu hia ye pa efise omo ka hu na amaya hodo ewo ye no Abochie no omo soso etimi edi omudwa ema yeso yenya ho mfasukudo no so nya bie the transit trade facilitation ye road near the bois na so nkyerese be bie nya nti eni yenya just a driver for the science ntini ewo rest of ahodo ewo akwanya mbobo yesu bi se utu shin ya na okwa finkan anatema okwa ni kakra hwiebe udru nsutam aho eben bus no betima gina ho ahome okwa osi no baabi ho benya baabi agina udu nkoko baabi ho benya baabi agina udu kono ubedu baabi benya baabi aho kuma sesara okwa na udu kintampo baabi ho anatachima benya baabi ahome so do ani so kire
N12 no so na woduru wenchi a baabi wa benya home nsa na odi akuduru bamboy ene bole ne ade nti ebese saa mmemme ya mbobɔ si a ahome gidie ye ma driver for no se wa ahome a wa hwa na be fa nti ebese transit drivers ebese so mo do mo ka ne na mo wa mo nya botre na omonya bi baabi a mo abra mo home na nam so beboa ma ka ne nkoji o mo nsem emo mmeka se avierof na kana akọ jinchi ka bia onka ni shemu a wo twemo ne passengers na ya hra de shesa nti so toto iso mesrese alawa for kaka umrika umra for because kwan no ya na ba bia tutu na nsu aye na ma kwan so betima yetro ebo betima esi nti wa hwe na America no stra wa hwe betima ko for hawaba the best is alawa for nsewe ni nyanso na wa ka so enyen bia na like nya dia wa maintain kama na tie papa shafie na driver oni da hon kwa na hon kono no tra mo mo ne red mo ne wi ni asra hodo no tiane ke obakwa ba ma kwanhia no wo di pra nam so de ba so ati pacho mu wi nyina fanya futu
yo we dey futu pa na odi ama ye ntimamfo kaka driver for wo tie show na nyumre but so hum dia no person bisa wo anya bia no watchimi hu ade poten a e ma sa akwanhia na esiye
o se be na maboso acheche no se driver ni se anopatutu no ne fa oba ka no ni hwenim akoyim ni ma no oba na odu amana se kwan ni no e bankan wo hia obi a yese ko na o se I lost control I veered off ka na ti aposa e ba no na I veered off a tire empire oh ne se driver no I embre that's why I'm instructed drivers on fatigue driving. So kaka do baby aya home. So say driver is so wa kan chine nti ye den ego busa no. Nti ni nhwehwemu no ni ndiemu no. Driver obre na o de car na mo. Wan hwea e na be fa kakra na fa wa kwa ne demu de e se okọ no ba beti afa kwa nchen. Eni bi de to ye ni ano. Na me sinti driver for ye wo ho puma sibre.
Sompa FM.
Okay, I'm going to say, Uchika, 4 hours be I was home 30 minutes. Do you be to be a no see no alcohol, what to suka crown, what it's room from so well good. Na pace, so be unknown, so could be a bit that will kakra, no asaba, no 2 car. Oh, qua, and now fausa, got 30 minutes, you crowd out to me. Home baby kakra ansana o twaso enti ena micro slips a fat driver for pa on two can sa free be a free kumasi na o basa on kwan yo na ju suolu na mu e ade beche sa wa na beti aguso ena wo awani na ho so won kaka esa wo ya passenger driver ni ni emra ni say regulation 100 say driving of vehicles we are driving here only down when you windscreen ehwe kwa no so tin na christian 10 to 2 na o change na woko when ni down nti yes say o kaka akra ya no nsa na akofofo ni so 2 regulation 107 and pa when ni enkohwehwe mobile phone so operate your eye is very important na say okoye niam bia ebe fa wani na ni kuma be guso dia edibe na eka ho na edisade bra ni matufo
chief mobile phone chief mobile phone die kana saka bio adama phone pesa pa
ene mpacho je homa me na mentu adaba fofo se ye hwehwe mu no isan se woni na ho a onkaka no ntino ya hemra kete se ewe regulation 107 no ewo airline 2180 regulation we traffic regulation 2012 se we are driving here adia yedi ye kasamu ana yedi ye chudu cho abefo yedi text message any WhatsApp video call any selfie any X any Facebook ni sa ne ma no o kaka saa machine ni bi da ka mo efe no mobile phone no a yɛmfe sanso na nkampɛ sɛ wode w'ani akɔhwɛ so pamjo yɛmfe sanso yɛ driver ni a na nkampɛ sɛ wode w'ani akɔhwɛ screen so na mmom baabia no wo nsa no yɛnu ɛnsɔ steer no ɛne w'ani no ɛnhwɛ kwan no so through the windscreen of your car nti wo kaka wo timene a wode wo nsa sɔ mobile phone o di ni aso operate selfie Facebook Twitter X any selfie any sa video ni sa nyama no o ye mambofo wan hwe aba akofo yi naba unno wabusua wan hwe a akwanhia beto wan hwe a dodo a awu be 750 no first quarter this year no wan hwe a obeba be ka ho wan hwe a obeja wabusua ho wan hwe a obekwa kofa yare domo a eye prakese abeto nso abohia te agu so ana ba beti egu afoforo so ye hwe ni enyan na enne kaka ebobira wo yesa wo yo how beba oso edi bia babusua so edi bia bre oman nti ye nhwe se mobile phone edi ensa so ni e drive ni e traffic no ye adia etia nhihye ya ene apamo ne Ghana call ya sana DVLA fast with the license no okoyesa wo ye driver bansa prosi pewa aso mu kuna ni ensa so so a on here be come ni nani ye papa mu a kan fa sankoso na nkam akofa akwanhiaba eno so ye hwe ni nyan
yo na so o kasara o ka bibi se o ye driver ni a enfa san so mobile phone but ubetina passenger car mu now say driver dey be okra phone no sa u ka hwea
passenger for mon hu sa dia mon tia driver for no na omo de mon kwa di agro contract na mo no aka omo ko ya mo tua ashintia dia mano a ode mo ko no ebra no se ode ne saba ko to akoso mobile phone an campus ode ni sa ni aso operate emretia enti mo you're right no ya ansori ankasa ye tinwa ye be ye tibone we must stand for our rights and for justice in driving and to protect our rights as vehicle occupants nti no so de ai ba ko so a emia enyam ye no susumu a enam ye no na ehwe timpacho se driver no ye now your passenger you represent Ghana and the police car no no munya bibi nkanche no mpanifo wo mu munka nanim the driver no o ye nipa samu a anhwa o de esa na kwanhia ba won ho beka so bonsam na ye oni excuse bia sa kwanhia nti munka nche no
Chiefs Bo
wantia na one report na police
Chiefs Bo after why make it some revelation so within the first quarter of 2025 nipa 750 ana one a true accident correct
sana mekan enti edo so ma dodo enti afutu na ba osompa so numi nyantie ni afa emmo yemfa ntu ye hofo ni afa hwe ka so yi yenka ye ka yi yetena ka mu enye ni subampadi ene na nkwa ho so a ye taka mu akwa mu ye hwe ye maka mfiri achimba ye titi moto so ya ye hye eche na yenyai blika tente ejaka sikwanso basabasa yede ka ma mu ni muka ene sa ne ma no eja e beboa ye me at the right time so ibenya mre me adisa akwanhia asisi me so nkomo edamase
yeso ye da se pass o ma ho kwan ma ene wo edi nkomo yankopon hira na on tu kwanem se de be ya afutu sam se a wo de ma yen ene ye na driver for do yebekọ so a edi abon mo se de be ya akwanhia no ano be brase edi aman nyame enhira pa ye
for God and country
yo abusa for God and country adwumadi na asogu so a wotie we share on Facebook so and one now share. We share on YouTube. That's where you are. 106.5 FM. Sompa e market yapa. Nipa 750. First quarter of 2025. Akwensia. Yeah. Unti no baby ao. This is Sompa. This is
Ekusi Arabia.
Ekusi Arabia. Piaro. Pia.
Prof,
challenge.
ye beda ye papa Supo Alexander Obeng all these informations and advices. Odiabre Shenkafo, and I commend him for that.
Sure.
Because he's been doing a very good work.
Good job.
So many platforms, education and all that. But then, I think some say I na minuayana am shishie. Sa 750 a year can ho asemi obi papa ka ho obi maame obi baby a ode na ku school a hwe ni misa nko ba be bobra daachi na akwanhia ama wa frimi ya ade bi e ha adwen papa ye na ade ba ko aya na driver for me de be konya bi a menya ya na meka ene se ya na ye yare a refree yare a driver for yare a refree yare papa ye denti na me ka se a driver for yare a refree yare sa futuo ya ye kanyina papa prof enye se driver for ni bebre ni mo bebre ni pa ba ya na obi ho otena stie na chi a na ne yure fi ne ho na oye dia ensese oye ya ye educations ahodo bebre efasa mobile phones ebinumo drive na omo receive calls ebi cry chat airtime at the moment ube fa call now receive pepe when you double attention.
Sure.
All right, we focus on the driving will be divided. Bibi eba unexpectedly o act ebe late. Untimi act said the SSC ultimate act.
Sure.
Inti SSC driver ni bi atimi hu say me a professional driver. Makotina mission echi no say ni na SSC etimi ye. And inti na ya na ewo mre no mu nso say answer ye de shen be ma driver ni bi say on drive as a commercial driver no. Say driver ni timi nya 25 years and above. That is what the law says.
What's the amendment now?
Matipa.
What's there's somebody about 21 years.
Say almost somebody about
because of Raja for the
they almost say no 25 name more and all that. But then muni say answer yedi obi nkwa ebe she obi nsa no nipa na matured enough onim ni left and right. Okuta some level of responsibilities be asudie bi da no so ono be hunu say hey adwuma mi ye ti say mi Kofi Amoameti hey me wo ma mienu me hwe om ne yere pacho ati ase intinim adie bi a mi ye bia me hwe say nipa bi dachi kuta mi nsem ti say me ya hwe yi sa na say driver ni bia etimi ye on say at least nipa nkwa na mi kuta minso esese minso me bɔ me nkwa ho ban papa etufu bebre ba ma membra ade ba ko a eno nso ekoso accident pa breakdown vehicles breakdown vehicles papa
kasa say
I am telling you ebi me papa da form for the past 16 years on a Suhum road to kwan ena ote family we can say family phone na mudi ni to kwa ko baby ote front before so mbe hu no track bi asesi bi bia ni akire ombehu no mo sheka na se emra ne se ka bi asesi kwantimpom yafa say kwantimpom so na highways car no within 1 hour eseso mtimi to car no edi free ho road traffic act make us say papa so
me hu pa
bachawati ase ena in the city nso no esese within 30 minutes eso mutimi eto car no edi free ho
towing cars
any point no track bi betimi ase for days you are careful mu nesi ho inti driver ni ba no wanye careful kakra bi a obo so wakosha ase na edi owuo edi aba because accident eji nkwa bebrebe ni nyina ba ko ye say breakdown vehicle car bi be kokko boom ana say obi ye wrongful overtaking obekoko meet obi no akoye head on collision na che say akofo wu edi aba say nyesa na say driver ni we ahweye o maintain wa appropriate speed, all right, now what all the traffic regulations no unya accident bi kra bakra pa it will not go to the level of taking lives. But make us say obi ho open tem ne nansi so no na esi so saa min ka say na min famra ye passenger force so wouldn't say passenger for binum so ye course almost ye part of it, they contribute towards it.
Now the passenger they on car.
Prof, ma min ka say min job driver ni me ka say driver ni we a professional driver and say my passenger kwan na or remote you or chira the SSA we but me say some of the passengers most especially on this our Kumasi Quantum Point so some of the passengers driver no watch dodo aka ba ko pa yetenem e na ukonya asenwa e na nkrofefo na san hu koi traffic esi bi mu kra no ma be san hu akoi on na omu put pressure on the driver. Obi wa otena ka nim na okọ Kumasi wa set say within 4 hours e say mitimi di Kumasi e bi okọ mu nye e bi kra nsuo toto e na driver ni no slow down kakra because kwan mu nye because one nsuo toto na say driver ni o drive here o tie no the connection between the tire and the road no there is a friction.
As a friction I reduce.
I reduce. Into no say BBC na say so be apply breaker. Sanka nsuo to a
ebe power
ubet study how be na nsuo to a untimi nyina na
asase no quota na be chitai but say nsuo no to a quota na ntimi chitai
no
ebe pa
enti driver ni na o drive na onim say baby aminami speed limit here 80 kilometers per hour but nsuo to common sense will tell you say nsuo to the amame limit I can't say speed, you know. Although akwenya was minko 80 kilometers, but in nsuo to kwan mu nye ntimi limited speed. But passenger being so I started no ma I can't say drive any pressure. And a driver ni nso on your professional driver. Mi tie mi jimi hudi. Let me say juma mesua say necessary me na papa te say me tie. Me beti ma ba ka just papa prof chimade na e wa ha no. Yeah, that's not my job. Good. It's your work. It's your profession. Inti no who na say uchire nipa na say, "Hey, this is what I'm doing." And inti na me meti ha me drive a car no. Inti me dis afutu e kakra nso be ma ya passenger for no nso bi. Say, "Omo betena cars ni mu nso a, ya omo nso nya abotre emfama drivers." And likewise, like Super was saying, passenger bi o otika na driver ni edi excuse my language, odi mu asema. Ontimi enka nkyere no.
Why be?
Sometimes me park car na me for trot call so many places. Driver ni uye de enya. I will tell you, hey, driver. No. Baby uye afa hui. Overtaking uye. Eba ni critical. There was a day me concern. I told the driver park car no because here ko nyina no to me say balancing fa no. E na me ma driver ne park here. O park here na me first station say no. Driver no dey e ko no. Say na e ko so. Papa
say because of your position as a deputy PRO for GPRT unit, you know, I don't think to be masters are courage, you know. Eti me yes sir. But obi a ono no abontia or the school fees in amway. Abochie aminame. Yeah, the producer. You know, we don't have that kind of temerity here.
It's your fundamental right. Because put the one look, Papa, minya fee a metina me ka nimu a pe me de me nkwa be hye wonsemo. Unsemfu bia obedi bia na me nkwa na ode to asem nti me wo ho kwan wa akwanya na metue sika ma me ne wa contract say o drive me e de me akwa to my destination safely nti ne say ye dia e de me nkwa beto asem a I have to call your attention say hey said the alcohol e don pempensu bi na say if I get to any kind of saying police officer be or police check bi na there I have the right to report
to you
and as see akrapo no GPRT for the system be eba. All right, we are going on digital. Well, your road traffic act in Munano, say car be do from the station echo more than 50 kilometers away from the station. See a passenger manifest.
Passenger manifest.
Yeah. Passenger manifest. They say, Prof, oba betina me came, oba station ho, oba as I say, me a me driver, and I say me who say, Prof, nidin di say.
That's a side say
yeshemu kenapa but most of the places ni na ade ba ko a ye de ka ho a ebe boa se de ebe a passenger for bit ma report e can say cases esi wo kwan so no to the station.
Okay.
All right, on the app no on the app na ye design no there will be a portion or there will be a place o call na say yemfa say be a driver in nam kwan so no or drive reckless. All right, or yeah wrongful overtaking.
Obet na send message I report driver no.
Perfect. You just do that. And the information will come to the station. Do driver no one ya for catch us a park can this is we can say complain about
where they set aside GPR.
Oh yes,
seriously. Minimum production team.
Seriously.
In some morning fire.
Oh, there be in some morning mamma because ye shemu kenapa because ye who say as I say ye upgrading and ye advancing to the extent say passengers na ye form no ombenya ye hu ahoto so.
Sure.
Majority I say ombe hunu say station na me kokofa kai me kona me kofa car no wo ho a you know in case of anything me nsumi will see.
Good.
I have the right to speak.
Yeah.
Majority I say and even cry with that in crap no ye wo mu we are o ebeji o can say passenger now kokofa car no o next of kin BBC obi a friend and all that.
But producer, I think next week I'll be interested in this man. So that we'll look at the fuel price reductions now. Now do could didn't you person better lorry first.
All right.
Next week next week
we'll get there. Yeah, bomb pipe.
But me cupboard no see I messages be on ya can come where Neddy no abawi because I went read it for myself right here on Sompa 106.5 FM. Emma, I get to your part. And quickly, let's see. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. Let me see. Okay. So Peter Dabeng says that God bless Sompa 106.5 FM in Accra. That's the message they're sending over here. Then Abochie says that nice presentation. Thank you so much. More fire. Masaud Kumasi Bantama sends in this one. He says that the suspension of the Chief Justice is part of the process of NDC's resetting Ghana agenda policy. Very soon they would pursue the agenda to dismiss the current EC chairperson. We are making the tenure of these constitutional bodies coterminous with let's see. They are making the tenure of these constitutional bodies coterminous with the regime that appointed them. A classic example of a bad precedent. Resetting Ghana agenda indeed. Regards to Chairman Odinoho Kweku Apia. And then Ketre Richie Yeboah also says that, hey Ghana for, if it isn't in hierarchy, why is the president who should appoint? Okay, so who should appoint? Then it should have been an automatic. It should be automatic. It says boy to this one. Ketre Richie against it says, hey, hypocrisy and selfishness pioneer. Oh, we have come a very long way. We have a very long way to go. And it says so sad. This one is emanating from the positive change. Medina, and he says that the CJ's infamous description of birth certificate and not an ID alone makes her not only incompetent but a treacherous character. Her kind shouldn't be appointed in Ghana again to head the highest court. The jubilation that would greet her final dismissal will be louder than that of the former IGP's one. And then positive change. I think we have read your. You've sent it again. And then this one says that teachers' constitution we are mwase packing. Okay, let's see. What did he say? Packing the Supreme Court with NDC executives won't solve Ghana's problems. Can changing the Chief Justice tackle galamsey and rising prices under the current NDC government? It's a question the person is asking. The NDC's leadership has failed Ghanaians. The economy needs tangible solutions. Greetings to Honorable Mavis and Kansa Boedi and Koka. Thank you so much for the message you have sent in here. And Emmanuel Asari says that call. Okay, no, this is an advice he wants to make. So, viewers, this is the kind of messages we have on Facebook today. Today, we just want to say a big thank you for God and country. Tomorrow we are back here, but the because that was a deputy PRO GPRTU. We want to say a big thank you for coming, and also to our production head of production, Bright. Cedar Bright, we want to say a big thank you. And school fees. The one school fees. My name is school fees. The one school fees it's here. But they're sorry, so no. Hot bite news no Eddie Bremo. You're from the Prof Abochie. Nyame adoma ochina for God and country. You beside the Bremo. Ba she no so say you be kwa on afa o maso ya sena nde